Write a detailed note on Python IDLE. IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. IDLE is essential for Python because Python code cannot run directly. It requires an interpreter to execute it. IDLE provides a convenient environment with integrated tools. IDLE includes several essential features, such as a code editor, interactive shell, debugger, etc. Setting up Python. Before writing Python programs, installing Python on the computer is necessary. Steps to install Python are: Step 1. Download Python. Visit the official Python website, w.python.org, and download the latest version of Python suitable for operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux. Step 2. Install Python. Execute the installer and follow the provided instructions. Check the box Add Python to Path during installation. This allows Python to run from command line. Invoking IDLE. Invoking Python IDLE. To start using IDLE on Windows, navigate to Start. All programs. IDLE Python 3.x. Now Python IDLE window will appear.